All right, gardeners, so we've just pruned back our roses. If you need a very easy to follow video on how to prune your roses quickly and efficiently, check that video link up there. I had a lot of comments on that video about Japanese beetles. I'm here in Westchester, Pennsylvania, Zone 6B, and my roses are, they used to get just devoured by the Japanese beetles, but every spring since maybe 3 years ago, I've started to use this specific application that is kind of a 3-in-1 fertilizer and systemic pesticide. And I'll provide some links down below for this product if you want to purchase some, have it delivered to your door, all right? So what I've been using the last few years is this all-in-one rose and flower care. So 3-in-1, like I was saying, fertilizer, which is great. Roses, they really need to be fertilized in the spring with a slow release fertilizer, which comes in this container. It also includes insect control, a systemic insect control that it will be released. Once you apply it, it'll be released into the soil, absorbed by those roots. The roots will take that systemic pesticide up through the plant, and so when the Japanese beetles or what other insects, aphids, caterpillars, I like caterpillars typically, that's the problem with these pesticides. Yes, they're not great for a lot of beneficial pollinators, but sometimes you just really have to use it. This is really the only application of pesticides that I use in my garden is for my roses, just because I love them so much. And then the third part is disease control. It will help with black spot and powdery mildew, as well as rust and southern blight. So let me show you guys how to actually apply this. We're just gonna start by sprinkling it around the base of our plants. Ooh. Then we can take a rake and just kind of use the back side of the rake to just kind of rough it in there a little bit. It's most important that we sprinkle it as close to the base as possible so that once we water it in here now and then over the course of the season when the rain falls, that as they start to disintegrate slowly over time, the application is absorbed by the roots. That's the most important thing. And then last, we just want to give it some water. And that little application just like that should help protect your roses from the Japanese beetles while also giving them a little bit of extra food support. Of course, it's not going to diminish all the Japanese beetles, but it is definitely going to help. Hope you found that video a little bit helpful, insightful. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. We're bringing new plant-related content every single week. I'll catch you guys later. Ciao.